Hi, everybody. We're here with episode 25, wow, of Katie Reed's books. And we're continuing our Poetry Month observation today with a little bit different poetry book called Science Verse. And it's written by John Sheshka and Lane Smith. So all the poems are science related, which I think is kind of neat. And kind of like yesterday, we're not going to read all of them because we'd be here all day, but I'm going to skip around and read some of my favorites. On Wednesday in science class, Mr. Newton said, if you listen closely enough, you can hear the poetry of science in everything. I listen closely. On Thursday, I start hearing the poetry. In fact, I start hearing everything as a science poem. Mr. Newton has zapped me with a curse of the science verse. All right, let's see what he comes up with. Evolution. Glory, glory, evolution. Darwin found us a solution. Your mama is that shape and your knuckles always scrape 'cause your grandpa was an ape. Water cycle. It's raining, it's pouring. For H2O, it's boring. Precipitation, evaporation, precipitation, evaporation, precipitation, evaporation, evening, night, and morning. All right, the next one is called twink. Twinkleous, twinkleous, spot of black in the starry zodiac, sucking in all matter and light, turning sunshine into night. Twinkleous, twinkleous, lost control. Now we're trapped in the big black hole. Kind of interesting. Let's see, skip ahead. I had a couple more, if I can find them. All right, on this page, we have skeletal study. There once was a man of science, not one of your mental giants. He decided to settle the question, does metal fix an electric appliance? All right. Next, what's the matter? Miss Lucy had some matter. She didn't know its state. She only had 3 choices, so tried to get it straight. She thought it could be liquid, quite possibly a gas, and if it wasn't solid, well, call me sassafras. Miss Lucy called the plumber, Miss Lucy called the cop, Miss Lucy called the egghead with the perfectly bald top. Liquid, said the plumber. Solid, said the cop. Gas, said the egghead, with the perfectly bald, perfectly bald, perfectly bald top, top, top. Changes over here. I'm a little mealworm, short and wiggly. Here's my antenna, cute and jiggly. Now I'm a pupa, squat and white. How did this happen? I'm a sight. Now I'm a beetle. What is this? I really hate metamorphosis. Poor guy. All right. Astronaut stopping by a planet on a snowy evening. Extra credit if you can tell me which poem and famous poet this one is based off of. Which world this is, I do not know. It's in our solar system, though. I'm thinking that it might be Mars because it has that reddish glow. But it could be Venus, and if that's true, then just between us, it might be wise to leave before any locals might have seen us. Could be Pluto, might be Neptune. Don't they both have more than one moon? I'm running out of oxygen. I'd better figure this out soon. Yes, space is lovely, dark and deep. For one mistake, I now do weep. In science class, I was asleep. In science class, I was asleep. Asleep, asleep. I'm in science class, I am asleep. Whack! Goes Mr. Newton's pointer on the blackboard. And that, my scientists, is the solar system. Test tomorrow on the planets. Class dismissed. Awake, awake, I am awake. I'm thinking in regular sentences. I'm not rhyming anymore. I'm cured of my science verse. The end. So I hope you kind of liked some of those selections from Science Verse. And that's all we have for today. Don't forget that you matter and you're important, and we'll see you soon. Bye.